to show you how to make this textured flower painting. This is going to be a kit that is from Pop Shop America, palette knives, drywall mud, wood panels, gesso, and 6 colors, paper towels. Let's begin by grabbing your 8x8 wood panel. So with gesso, this will be your primer on your wood surface. You just want to make sure you get like a good even coat. Grab the palette knife, also grab your drywall mud, and then about 2 scoops of the color that you will be using. Now that you have your color mixed, we're going to be making our petals. Just scrape, push down firmly, and then begin to add color onto your board. And also just vary some of the colors and tones of the green as well too. So make your way across the board, little by little. Be intentional of your placement. The technique that we are using is called impasto. And we're gonna just let this sit for 24 hours.